Minister wa uruti wira wa muingi Aisha Jumwa riu egukorwo ari muira wa mwena wa thitango shiraini wa uragani uria we hamwe na murangiri wake marari ekwirwo na uu ni thutha wa wabici ya murugamiriri wa thitango cia muingi gwiki ihoya ikiuria Juma kwehererio thitango ino. Wakiri wa Jumwa Omare augite gutiri na wira muiganu wa gukinyaniria thitango cia uragani akiuga ni andikire wabici ya mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi guthurima weru fairo cia ciroyo.
For the offense of murder to be preferred against anybody, there must be mens rea. There must be malice aforethought. There must be a premeditated plan to kill.
Theine wa shira uge o ta uyu mucirithania Mary Kasango wa igoti nene ria Kiambu ni atanyitwo gukaheana itua ria kana muteti Gladys Chania mwekwirwo munene njuragano-ini ya muthuriwe George Mwangi ni akarekererio na bodi mari hamwe na Morris Bogwa mwekwirwo uge shira-ini uyu.
There is evidence to show that this witness had been subjected to intimidation and threats.
Eri aya mathitangitwo na mahitia makuraga Mwangi mweri muhituku mwena wa thitango ukihinyiriria ati matifatie kuheo bodi amu maya guthoga wira ona gutuika na oma wakiri aekwirwo marauga aya eri mari na kihoto gia kuheo bodi.
The public interest, my lady, demands that everybody be accorded fair administrative action, fair action in court.
Narigoti inene ria Meru niriteaniri ihoya ria bunge ya kaunti ya Meru gutwarithia na mbere ndereti ya kuhagura gavana wa Meru Kawira Mwangaza mucirithania wa Meya Cherere akiuga mitaratara ya guthugunda ndereti ino ndiatwarithirio na mbere uria kwagiriire.
Deputy clerk or the clerk has no jurisdiction to issue notice calling for impeachment of the governor. Secondly, even if for argument's sake the letter was to be taken as notice, it contravenes the standing order for not giving the petitioner 7 days notice.
Kuhitukira wakiri wake Elias Mutuma, Kawira erite igoti ati ndereti ya kumuhagura ya biririo na gwikirwo kiroreni andu matoikaine thiini wa bunge ya county akiuga mufango wa kumuhagura nduri na utheri o wothe. Na muthia igoti-ini ria Milimani wabici ya mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi ni iketi ihoya ria kweheria cira wa Sarah Cohen na handu-ini hake kamiti ya guthikiriria aira matiganite cira-ini uyu ithondekwo. Sarah Cohen akuruhanitio na giku kia muthuriwe Tob Cohen mwaka-ini wa 2019. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Ngena wa Wadurwa.